So, hello everybody. So today we are going to discuss about plotting and visualization using Python. Okay, so you might have studied NumPy completely, that is numerical Python. Numerical Python is an external package that supports the core Python and we'll have to install it from outside. Similarly, another package which helps us in plotting graphs, charts, surface plots and all sorts of visual representation of numerical data is Matplotlib, and it stands for Mathematical Plotting Library. It is useful for comparing, contrasting, predicting, comprehending a huge amount of data. So it is one of the easiest way of plotting or visualization of the numerical data that we have with us. So the module is called Matplotlib module, Mathematical Plotting Library module. Okay, and it is having a lot of functions that is very useful for us in plotting. The first function is plot. Plot is the first function and the general format is plot, and where the x values or the x axis we have to give the y axis, and you can give the color of the plot, the line, style of the line, and if we want some markers and all, shapes and all, like we want a circular shape to be incorporated in our figure, you can give a marker, and you can give 0 means it gives a circular shape, and you can give the size of the marker, you can give the face, and the only thing that is needed, XY data is mandatory, others and all is optional according to our need. Everything plotted to be shown on the screen means we'll have to use the function show with empty parenthesis. If there is not show in your program, nothing could be seen in the output window. And as when we are plotting, we always have x-axis and we are going to label the x-axis. Similarly, we want to label our x-axis, what you have to write? X label, then it is position. Within the quotes I can put position. Y label, I can put within the quotes some time, and title, what is the position time graph or phase space plot. Legend means what is plotted. If we are two graphs in the same figure, means I have to identify which one stands for which one. That is velocity time graph and position time graph, which is plotted subsequently in the same plot. To identify between which one is velocity time and which one is position time, I can use legend. If you are discussing the program, you can understand it in detail. And if you have, all the graph papers will have horizontal and vertical lines. To get that, I'll have to use grid true. It shows grid lines if true. And similarly, I can set the axis Z. It is not at all mandatory functions. I can put the axis off, and I can, if I'm using axis equal, means both x and y axis will be set equal. And I can, if you are having 2 or 3 figures, I can name the figures as figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. And I can use the function subplot, means in a single page itself you can have 3 plots, 4 plots, 5 plots, etc. And I can enter the text in any region of your plot. I have to name the x and y coordinates and what is the text to be printed there. And while doing the program, you can understand it. I can draw bar graph. I can do contour graphs. I can do, again similarly, if I'm having logarithmic scale, if I'm using log means both x and y axis is in logarithmic scale. If I'm using semi-log x means x axis in logarithmic scale. If I'm using semi-log y means y axis is in logarithmic scale. I can plot pie chart. I can plot polar charts. I can scatter. When we are drawing graphs and all, we normally put dots. To get that dots, I can use the command scatter. Okay, so these are all the functions, and you just go through the text that is given to you, and we'll discuss each of the programs one by one for understanding each of these functions that we have discussed so far. Okay. For that, I'm going to the programs that have done already. Okay, I'll check out with the programs that I've done already on Matplotlib and on NumPy. I'm going to check it out. You just have a break. I'm going to check the programs that I have done on. Okay, that is it. I've got it. This is the NumPy. Okay, let me check this one. Okay, no need of this. These are all the programs done in NumPy. And let me check out this. Okay, that is it. It's good. So we'll discuss each of this coding one by one in detail. I'm just checking out the program, that is float. Okay. So this is the first coding that we are going to discuss. So for coding means what first is needed is from Pylab. Matplotlib package is installed means I'll have to call for getting all the functions in the Matplotlib package. I'll have to use Pylab, that is from Pylab import star. Then what I'll have to put is x is equal to means I need a set of data points for x axis. I need a set of data points for y axis. So what I can draw, I'm initializing a list of numbers for x. I'm initializing a list of numbers for y, and what I'm giving x versus yz graph. Then what I'm doing, scattering x and y. Then what I'm doing, plotting x and z, x label, x axis. Along y axis I'm putting two values, y values or z values, and I've used the command legends here. And if I'm running this program, I'll have to wait for some time to get the output. Okay, so I got some output, and we are going to discuss it here. Okay, so it is what I have named it, like I have scattered xy. These 2 points stands for scattering xy. Okay, and plot xy, and what I have plotted x and y values. This is the plot. If I am simply using plot means I will get a straight line, and I have given here y means I have got a yellow color here, right? And what is this? This is the legend command. And what I have given is k is equal to z values and y values. The first one I have plotted is the scatter plot. So normally the second one what I have plotted is x and z. Okay. So I have got x values, z values and y values. So resuming back, so what you have got is plot y values and z values, that is we have got for legend means if I am putting legend within the parenthesis, what I will be getting is that is this stands for what? Okay, scattering. I have scattered the y values and I have got plotted the z values, and I have labeled x axis. What? X label x axis. Y label is y versus z. And similarly my title is what? Title x versus yz. My title is this one, x versus yz graph, and similarly it is shown here, x versus yz graph. Okay, so this is how you're going to simply plot. Only thing that you have to keep in mind is that we need a set of data points for getting x axis. So for that we need either a list in a simple way or array. Normally we use arrays for plotting. Okay, so that is the point that you have to